Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Nick Garisto. Nick is running for Deputy Mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Nick.
Thank you, Brad, for giving me this opportunity to address the voters again.
So today I wanted to address some of the old debates that have happened in council, and some of the public seem to want to have this rehashed. What is your position on bringing up old discussions or old decisions from council?
Thanks for the question, Brad. And for me, it's fairly swift to answer this question. I would like to forge through on different issues that face the town. If the majority of a council would like to bring back previous issues, then I will review it at that time and address the best way I can at the time. So for me, it's a brand new council, brand new 4 years. Let's move forward for what is best for our town. And that is where I come from. So I'm not going to shut down any new member if they want to bring the old issues. Like I said, I will review it and address them at the appropriate time.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much for helping us clear that issue up. And if you'd like to see what more Nick has to say, please do check out the links below. And thank you for watching.
Thank you, Brad.